Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Screen Addicts. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a wild case that's got everyone talking. Fiona Harvey's lawsuit against Netflix for defamation, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligence, and violation of her right of publicity over the $170 million baby reindeer. So, what's behind this bizarre battle? Well, it all started with the release of Baby Reindeer, a show that tells the story of comedian Richard Gadd's experience of being stalked. The main character, Martha, was apparently based on Fiona Harvey. No names were mentioned in the show, but according to court documents, Netflix made her identity easily accessible for viewers to track down in real life and connect the dots. Harvey claimed she was tormented after the show came out and filed a lawsuit against Netflix. She said they created an easily accessible roadmap that led to her being identified as Martha in the show, which allegedly damaged her reputation and caused emotional distress. And we're not talking about just a few days of sadness. Harvey is seeking $170 million in damages. Now, let's talk to James Pipe, a legal expert from Felons Assistance who's been following this case closely. He says Harvey's lawsuit isn't just about clearing her name, but also taking a shot at Netflix as the biggest entertainment giant out there and seeing if they'll flinch. And here's what he told us. Fiona Harvey's lawsuit against Netflix isn't just about clearing her name. It's about taking a shot at the biggest giant in entertainment and seeing if it flinches. That's smart. The show claimed, both explicitly and by implication, that the woman it's based on is a twice-convicted stalker who went to jail for it. Harvey says none of that is true. And crucially, the judge has agreed the case has enough merit to move forward. That's already a bigger win than most people realize. Courts don't waste time on hopeless cases, especially when they involve a Netflix-sized legal team. With Harvey's claim for intentional infliction of emotional distress, it will be a tough ask for her to win. U.S. law sets a high bar. She'll need to show Netflix behaved outrageously and knew it would cause her serious harm. Not impossible, but harder to land than the defamation argument. Her negligence and right of publicity claims have already been thrown out, no surprises there. Those claims were always weaker and mostly included for pressure. Now let's look at Harvey's PR strategy. She's not sitting quietly. She's giving interviews, front-footing her story, and making herself a known public figure. It's risky, everything she says can be used against her later, but it also forces Netflix to fight the case in the court of public opinion, not just in courtrooms. It's the kind of move that makes settlements more tempting. Pipe suggests Harvey won't win the full $170 million damages, saying, Netflix has deep pockets and can drag this out for years. However, he points out that she doesn't need a total win. If she proves even some parts of the show were false and damaging, Netflix could be facing an embarrassing loss or at least a big check to make it all go away quietly. That's what makes Harvey's tactics so effective, playing her best hand. Whether it's enough to beat Netflix is another question. But this fight's a lot closer than most people thought at the start. So there you have it, folks, a wild case that's got everyone talking. We'll be keeping an eye on how this one plays out. That's all for today on Screen Addicts. Thanks for tuning in.